Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Rashil Anwar and today we are going to learn about Abdul Sattar Edhi, Unit number 1, Part A, Lecture 7, NBF. NBF is known as National Book Foundation. Unit number 1's name is dedicated to humanity, but Abdul Sattar Edhi is the Part A of Unit number 1. Remember that Unit number 1 has 3 parts. Part A, Abdul Sattar Edhi. Part B, Mother Teresa. Part C, Helen Keller, a girl with a vision. Well, now we are learning about Abdul Sattar Edhi. Then after that, we will learn about Mother Teresa. Then when we are done with Mother Teresa, we will then learn about Helen Keller, a girl with a vision. But for now, let's start our lesson. Question number 1. Complete the sentences using the words from the word bank. Humanity, welfare, maltreated, dispensary, compassion, countless, disability. A. His mother's illness fostered dash in his soul for suffering humanity. The answer is compassion. B. He had the vision of establishing dash homes and shelters to minimize the grievances of people. The answer is welfare. C. Edhi began his mission by establishing a free dash for the needy. The answer is dispensary. D. Edhi was given the title of Angel of Mercy on account of his dash services. Countless. E. His legacy to serve dash is still continued and maintained by his son Faisal Edhi. Humanity. F. Edhi vowed to take care of the people who were maltreated, neglected, and had any sort of physical or mental disability. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video.